Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to create beautiful cards using the Canva mobile app. First, open the Canva app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and log in. So, I have already this mobile app in my mobile. So, I will open it. You can tap on it and open it, and then immediately after you open you will get this home screen. Okay, you have your home screen over here right now. So on the home screen, in the search bar, you can search the type of card you want. You will see many ready-made templates, and you can scroll through the designs and choose the one you like. So first you can search for your type you want. So suppose you want to create a birthday card. Okay, I'll search for a birthday card. If you want to create a new blank, you can start from blank one. You can even do that, or you can choose the designs from here and you can edit them as you like. You can scroll it. Okay, suppose I want this first one only. This first one is very good. So now now the chosen template will be displayed. Now you can tap on this and customize the template. So you want to change the text, you can tap on this text, and what you want to write you can write. You want to change the font, you can go over here in the font and you can change the font. You can change the text style, make it as heading, make it like this only. So however you want you can make it. And you want to change the you want to add something to the text, you can add, even you can type over here and you can add happy birthday. Okay, your will add dear. Sister or dear brother, sister, whatever you want. Okay, to for whom you are creating this card. So you can write their name, and then if you want to write any other messages you can even add text also. You want to remove these photos, you want to add your own photo, you can even remove this and replace it also. To replace it, upload it from your gallery, you can upload it also. Suppose I have your few photos over here, you want to upload whatever. Like this you can change it. You can change the font size as well of the font to make your card more attractive. You can even tap on these design elements also. You can tap on the text. If you want to add more text, you can add a text box also. Okay, happy birthday, I want to write more. Many happy returns of the day. suppose like this I want, and now drag it and put it anywhere you like. To change the font styles again, and to change whatever text style also you can change, heading or subheading, body. Okay, and then font size also, if you want font color you can change. So I wanted it to be red color, and then format also you can change, bold, italics, underline, like this, and to make it bulleted point or unbulleted point. So whatever the spacing also you can change, and if you want to add effects you can even add effect also, shadow, left, hollow. So whatever effects you want, shape also. Okay, so like this you can add different effects to the text as well. Even here also these photos you can change these all photos and add effects in these also. Now to change the photos you can just upload it from your own device as well. So if you want to add your own photo also, you can go to uploads and then add it. So this is the way how you can create beautiful and stunning cards from using Canva app. So you can also share your card directly from Canva to WhatsApp, email or Instagram, and that's it. You have just learned how to create stunning cards using the Canva mobile app, and when you keep on using it you'll become perfect also, and you'll be able to design even your own materials in coming future using this Canva app. There are many other things that you can design. So for example, I am again going to my home screen. You want to design your own cup cup outer ground. So you can even design your own cup that background also. So you can just click over here in search templates, cup. Okay, this kind of cup backgrounds you can design by yourself, and you can edit it. You can add your own name as well. So you can even add your own logo as well if in future if you open your companies and if you want to design your own t-shirts. So you can even your t-shirts, you can search over here. These are the designs that you are having of t-shirts. You can even add your own logo to the t-shirt, and you can edit all these, use these ready-made templates, or you can even create your own templates also. These are few ready-made templates, and if you want you can create more of your own, and you can add your own logo as well to these. So the thing is that you must just start. So when you are happy with your design, you can even download it and then save to your own mobile also, to save to your own. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. See you next time in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.